How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be doing a price prediction analysis on ticker symbol JDZG. So as you guys can see, very tiny float that we're dealing with here, and it's also a recent IPO. Analysis pricing of initial public offering May 15th, 2024. So it's a recent IPO. It's been getting beat down throughout the last couple of years since it's IPO'd. And as you guys can see on the daily here, we had a massive bounce in the beginning of January when I believe reverse splits were just starting to be a trend, and this ticker had a reverse split somewhat of June 2025. So that reverse split theme that the market has been really supporting recently, I believe, is what started this run, as well as some PR that we had January 2nd. We said Giad Limited enters into strategic cooperation with South Korea Education Group, launching its global market strategy. So I read through this PR. It's mainly really just buzzwords, as well as, just they're expanding internationally. They partnered with a South Korean company. Okay, no real revenue, no real long-term plan, nothing really substantial to look at here besides the tiny float that this stock has. So again, really, it was mainly just buzzwords, nothing really serious, no real revenue added, no real pipeline in the discovery. It's just they're expanding internationally, so it's good. It's good PR for a penny stock to rely on for a couple of days. But as you guys can see, shortly after that, we had a massive run up all the way to almost $2 from under $1, and that's mainly because from a more fundamental perspective, that's mainly because of the reverse split theme that this market has had. This ticker fits all the criteria, right? So it has had a reverse split in the last year, reverse split on June 2024, as you guys can see right here, June 24th in 2025. So in the last year, it was under $1 when it first initially received this run up here, which fits the theme of sub $1 ticker that is dealing with Nasdaq minimum pricing issues, and that's why they had to reverse split. It's also a recent IPO, and it's a very tiny float, and it's been getting beat down consistently for a good amount of time. So this fits the overall theme of the market. Last time I think I saw a reverse split ticker was, I believe, maybe like 2 days ago. I forgot what the ticker was, but that theme is still very much alive in the market, and I believe that it's something that we should definitely still be keeping our eyes on. And so back to the more price prediction analysis side of the video, besides just looking at the fundamentals, as I said, this stock very strongly fits the theme of the market. Currently, it's a very tiny float. It's explosive. No real news, no real PR to back it up. And so what I'm going to be looking for into market open, which is in about 5 hours, is just a base around this 2.5 area, accumulate above 2.4, 2.5. And then from there on out, if we see a ticker with better PR, a tiny float penny stock with better PR that fits the theme, maybe just as well as this one, or maybe even a little better, that might take the volume. But if that does not happen, which there is a very high chance of us not seeing that, especially on Friday, I do think that this also has a very strong chance of maintaining a 2.4 level and then seeing new highs again tomorrow. Again, very tiny float, recent reverse split. It's been getting beat the fuck down. It's extremely oversold. It fits every single theme that we've been seeing explode throughout the market over the last couple months. And if you have no idea what I'm talking about, if you're saying what theme is this guy talking about, what penny stocks, what reverse split, what Nasdaq, letters of violation, what is this theme that you're talking about? Just go scroll through my last couple videos, pick any random video. Chances are more than not, you're gonna find a video that discusses a ticker that has ran with this very specific theme. So again, this is gonna be a very solid watch for me tomorrow, just considering how tiny this float is, how explosive this stock could possibly be. I think it's so volatile, and this could easily break past 3 again. So very strong watch for me as long as it maintains 2.5 and into market open, as long as it maintains 2.5 into market open, and as long as we don't see any other stock with news, with PR that fits the theme as well as this into market open. If that doesn't happen, this is going to be a very strong watch for me. And I think if this maintains 2.5 and that criteria holds throughout the market, then this has a very, very strong chance of breaking over $3, breaking over 350, even breaking over 4, and just having a massive parabolic run. And as I said, it's also been basing really, really well since this last run. We haven't came down to sub ones at all, which is a very, very good sign for me. So we were able to swoop up these dips at one, grab liquidity at around that dollar level, and then this massive move just out of nowhere. So I do think this is very explosive. I think that if it comes down, even under 2.4, grabs liquidity around 2.2, 2.3, and then grabs 2.5 again before market open, I think it's, a lot of people are going to look past it and, focus and, put their eyes elsewhere. But I do think that this is something that everyone should be keeping on watch. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.